Let's learn how to change your TikTok account in just a few easy steps. So if you have a personal TikTok account, but you need to change it to a business account in order to get access to more features, then watch this video because I'll show you how you can do it in just a few easy steps. A business account on TikTok is designed for brands, companies, and creators who want to use the platform to promote their products or services. It offers several features that are not available to personal accounts, such as analytics, advertising tools, creative tools, and many, many more things. The first step is to open the TikTok application on your iPhone or Android phone, and then we'll go over to our TikTok profile by clicking here. After you get to this page, you want to tap on the 3 horizontal lines at the top right corner of the screen, and then we'll open the Settings and Privacy page. When you get to your TikTok settings, you want to open the account settings by tapping here, and that will open another section where we will be able to change a couple of settings related to our TikTok account. The option on which we want to click on is this Switch to Business Account, and you can then follow the on-screen instructions and set up the business TikTok account. They will prompt you to select a category for your brand, such as beauty, clothing, finance, and many, many more things. You can also add a bio if you want to add a description of your brand or business. But yeah, just set up your business account, and after you're finished and set everything up, you will have access to some business tools that are available with this account type. You can see your account analytics, the performance, your most popular videos, and many more things. If this video was helpful, make sure you subscribe to the channel for more similar tutorials like this one, and I'll see you soon.